Hey guys, it's your girl Haji again. Today I'm here as promised to show you how you can make bolani. The basic of bolani is that it's of course stuffed bread filled with normally potatoes, gandana, which is kind of like spinach, or chaka, also known as nonokruti. These three are like the most common stuffing you would use, and last week I actually filmed a video on how you can make chaka and turn it into nonokruti, so you can check out that video if you want. And today it's of course all about bolani with kachaloo. And the main thing here is to remember to boil your potatoes way before you even start making your dough. So start boiling your potatoes and then make your dough, and the dough is really easy and it's the same dough we use whether we are gonna make with kachaloo or we're gonna fill it with gandana or chaka. It really doesn't matter, it's the same stuffing. And a lot of people actually tend to grate their onions or potatoes when they make bolani kachaloo, but at my house we just chop it and it tastes just the same, so you can go about it as you want. And in this video the potatoes look actually a bit more yellow than they are in reality, and that's because of the turmeric powder we're putting in it. So as well as for the taste, the turmeric powder also just give it this really clear color. One more thing you need to remember is that bolani is very fragile, so remember to heat up your pan really well before you even put it in there, and then it just needs like 3 to 4 minutes on both sides before it's ready. After a few minutes, you're done and it's ready to be served. Now I normally have it with yogurt on the side. Let me know in the comments what you have it with. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye!